Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Shock from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this cute trick-or-treater, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start and go up to draw these very slanted eyes. Then come to the sides right here, round it off, and then just bring it right back in. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So just give yourself a little bit of space, about that wide, and let's do the same thing. And bring it in. From there, let's come in here and we're going to draw a circle for her eye, about here. And give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing here. There. And then I'm going to come above each eye, just draw a soft curve right towards the sides. And then let's come right here, just give her eye a little crease, and lightly just draw a curve right under. Now just come in here and darken the top a little bit more. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to come down pretty low and we're going to draw her nose. So this is kind of the, this is the mask that I'm drawing. So let's come down really low and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve and then go up. So this is very long, hawk-like nose, right? So then about right here, I'm just going to come in here to give it some shape. Then underneath this, we're going to draw upside down U. So come right about here, right underneath the nose, and draw that. So cute, right? Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to frame this. And it's going to be very, very narrow. So I'm going to come right here, give myself a point right next to the eyes, and I'm going to bring it down really close to the mouth. So let's come down, and I'm just going to bring this curve all the way. So same thing here. Bring it all the way down towards the mouth. And then as we come down here, we're going to bring it down a little bit more and towards the center. We're going to straighten it out. So about right here, go ahead and straighten it out for chin and then back up. Then let's bring this up a little bit more past the eyes. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. She's wearing a witch's hat, right? There. Then from there, let's come back to this eye area and we're going to draw her ear. And just draw a big curve and give some details if you like inside. And same thing here. Then let's see, now to draw her hat. So we're going to draw the rim of her hat. I'm going to come about right here where her ears are and here. And I'm just going to draw this big oval. So I'm going to turn my body. So whatever you need to do to draw this big oval, turn the paper or your body. You're just going to draw this big oval. And go up. And bring it down and close it up. There. And I'm just going to come up in the top right here and just give it a little bit of a rim. Just for some detail. And just taper it in. Then the top part right here, we're just going to draw this little point and make it nice and thin. So let's go up. And we're going to hook it down. And then about right here, round it off. Bring it in and down. And then right here, where it bends, you can just add two curves. There. From there, let's go ahead and draw her hair, her wiry hair. So about right here, I'm just going to come in here and just draw some strands. Nothing particular, just we want to draw these wiry strands that come out. I'll just come in here and thicken it up. Then if you like, you can even make it a little darker right here for her hair. And same thing here. And so once again, I'm just going to draw some curves. And just thicken it up a little bit. There. Okay, so now that we're done with her hair, let's draw her body. So right underneath the chin, right at the bottom in the center, I'm going to give her a tiny little neck, and then we're going to cap it off with a curve. And then we're going to draw her little collar So you're gonna come out with a little curve, and then we're just gonna draw maybe like 4 these little ruffles. So cute. And then come straight down the line, and then we're going to pop this out. So we're gonna pop it out for her dress. I just love the design on this character. It's just the cutest thing. So simple, but so cute. So then come down. So hopefully I'm helping you draw her today. And now that we're about the same level, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it with a bunch of ruffles. It's gonna come down a little bit more towards the center and then go right back up. There, and then I'm gonna come right here and just draw a curve all the way across for some detail. And then let's find your center. Right in the center, we're gonna draw a straight line down. So this is going to be her boots. Then we're gonna come right here and curve out. Give it a little point, come down, and at a slight angle, connect it. So same thing on the other side. Just give a slight angle and connect. And you can add a little crease here if you like. There. And then her arms, we're just gonna pop them up in this straight area. Just come out to say about right here and bring it in. And then let's draw a little hand, thumb, curve it around for her fingers. So same thing on the other side. So just drag this point across. So we're approximately the same on the other side and connect. And then once again, thumb, and then curve for her hand. And let's see here. That is pretty much it. I'm just gonna add a little heart right in the center to make her my Draw So Cute shock from the Nightmare Before Christmas. I really hope you love how she turned out and I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.